Most people get in the ATM business wrong. They buy one machine, they place it, they make a few $100s that month, then they stop. They think they made it. They didn't. What they actually did is buy themselves a hobby, because one ATM doesn't change your life. One ATM just proves something important. It proves that the system works. And once you understand that business works, the real question becomes, how fast can you scale it? Because nobody ever built the freedom from one machine. Freedom comes from the route. Freedom comes from the system. Freedom comes from stacking one machine on top of another that pays you every single month, whether you show up or not. In this video, I'm going to show you how that exact playbook can turn one ATM into a small empire. Not theory, not hype, real numbers, real system, real execution. If you follow this playbook, you'll never look at one ATM the same way again. Today, you're covering 3 things. Why one ATM is just the starting point, not the finish line. The exact steps to scale from one machine to 5, 10, and even beyond. And how to manage a route without it taking over your life. Hi, I'm Phil from PDQ Merchant Enterprises and the ATM Mastermind Group, and I've been in the ATM business for over decades. I didn't start with a route, I didn't start with a system, I started with one ATM in one location, just like everyone else. And over the years, I placed hundreds of machines, worked with operators all over the country, and watched what actually worked and what failed. Everything I'm about to share with you comes from real route, real numbers, and real mistakes that I made early so you guys don't have to, and you guys can save that time. Now let's talk about why one ATM is the beginning. Your first ATM is not a business. It's proof of concept. Here's what most people do. They buy one ATM, they place it, they make $300 or $400 a month, and then they stop. $300 or $400 a month is nice. It pays a bill. It helps with groceries, but it doesn't change your life. It's not life-changing. You're not quitting your job. You're not replacing your income. You're not building wealth. You're just adding a little extra cash. And if that's all you want, that's fine. But most people want a little bit more. They want freedom. They want options. They want leverage. And you cannot get that with one machine. Here's the math. One ATM makes $300 to $500 per month. 5 ATMs make $1,500 to $2,000 a month. 10 ATMs make $3,000 to $5,000 a month. Now you're talking real money. Money that replaces car payments, mortgages, and eventually even salaries. Your first ATM proves the system works. Your next 5 builds the business. Give your first ATM 90 days. Track the numbers. Learn the refill process. Learn the banking system. Learn how to manage the location. And once you see that it works, start looking for number 2. Don't wait a year. Momentum matters. Once you know how to do this once, you can do it 10 times. Point number 2, scaling the route. Scaling is not complicated. Most people just don't have a plan. Step 1 is mastering your first machine, refills, banking, location communication, basic troubleshooting. Once that's dialed in, you move into step 2. Lead generation. You did not scale by accident. You drive your area gas station, convenience stores, bars, liquor stores, cash-heavy businesses with high foot traffic. You make a list, you walk in, you give a simple pitch. Hi, I provide ATMs free of charge to businesses like you. It's free, I handle everything. You get paid per transaction. Are you interested? Most people say no. That's fine. All you need is one yes. One yes out of 10 is all you need. Step 3 is the negotiation and placement. Agree on the split. Decide where the machine goes. Use a written location agreement. Never rely on a handshake. Step 4. This is about reinvestment. This is how you scale fast. Do not spend your early profits. Use the ATM to buy the second ATM. Use both ATMs to buy the third. Keep reinvesting until you hit 5 or even 10 machines. It's better. Then you can start pulling the income. Step 5 is systemizing the route. Group the machines by geography. One trip, multiple machines every 2 weeks or once a month, depending on your cash flow. Efficiency is everything. Month 1, 1 ATM. Month 3, 2 ATMs. Month 6, 4 or even 5 machines. $1,500 to $2,000 per month. 4 to 6 hours a work week. That's the playbook. Point number 3, managing without burnout. Here's what most people worry about. More machines means more work. That's wrong. More machines means better system. You don't manage the 10 machines the same way you manage one. You manage the route. 5 machines on the north side, 5 machines on the south side, 1 day per week, a few hours total. Some machines get refilled every week, some every 2 weeks, some once a month. You learn the rhythm and you plan around it. I have students running 10 machines, spending 6 to 8 hours per month. They're making $3,000 to $4,000 monthly. That's real passive income. Track everything: location, address, cash usage, refill dates, monthly profits, plan routes by geography. Each machine takes about 10 minutes. 5 machines is roughly an hour. including drive time. Do this twice a month and then you're done. That's the dream. If you're serious about scaling from one ATM into a real portfolio, I created a business ATM A to Z course and a mastermind class. It walks you through location negotiations, scaling, and route management step by step. The link is below. Don't stop with one machine. Build the route, build the empire, build your legacy. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Check out our ATM Mastermind group, and we'll see you at the next ATM Mastermind video.